Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this AI hugging yourself Polaroid photo using Gemini. So if you ever wonder what it will look like if you could hug your younger self with AI, you actually can. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a realistic Polaroid style photo of you and your younger self using the latest AI photo tools. So these are currently trending on TikTok as well as Instagram. You can see me hugging mini me like this. There are so many of account create this trend. So let's just get started. What you need to do and prepare is you need to have Google Gemini apps, and also prepare the photo of you now and also the younger you. And you can just open Google Gemini applications, and in here tap on the create image features on Gemini, then write the prompt. So here's the prompt that I use. Take a photo taken with a Polaroid camera, and the photo should look like an ordinary photograph without object or property without subject or property, and the photo should have a slight blur and consistent light source, a flash from a dark room scattered throughout the photo. Don't change the face and change the background behind these two people with white curtains. Make it look like both the people in the reference pictures are hugging each other. So you can modify the pose if you want to, but I'm using hugging each other. Now you can just upload the photo of you and also the younger you. So in here I'm going to just use this photo right here and also this one. Tap on done and wait until the photos successfully uploaded. Now hit on generate, and you can just wait until the Polaroid photo result is done. Okay, it's still generating the image. You can just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so now the image is done, and here is the result. So guys, create your own Polaroid photo now and follow the trend. If you like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.